right, people. Today we are at Fernbank Museum of Natural History in Atlanta, Georgia. We're here for a birthday party. But we're also going to explore the museum, let you guys see what it's all about. We're recording with the GoPro this time, so we'll see how this footage goes because it's a little nasty outside. It was raining, it was snowing for a little while, but let's get this day going. Let's do this. All right, we're exploring now. We took jackets off. Now let's go see what it has to offer. This looks like something called Nature Quest. You want to see what Nature Quest is all about? So if you guys are new to our channel, definitely take a moment to subscribe, check out all our videos. We are planning to spend a lot more time traveling around Atlanta looking for things to do with the kids, so definitely join us. Turn that notification bell on so that you can stay up to date on all our latest videos. Alright, so we're in the forces room, where it's all about like wind, erosion, and it's been fun. Casey finally came out his shell. He was a little unhappy at first, but he's working it out now. Alright, so we are still traveling through Fernbank Natural History Museum. We've been through a couple rooms already so far. Kids seem to really enjoy it, especially because it's really hands-on and every room has things for you to do. But let's keep on exploring. Alright, so we've made it to the Dinosaur exhibit room. It's not really large, but it'll do. If you guys are looking for something to do in Atlanta, especially for a quick weekend trip with the kids, definitely check out Fernbank. It's nice. Everything is nice and neat and clean. It's not very crowded, so you can enjoy yourself. There's shows. There's a big 3D like theater they have as well. We're not gonna probably do that, but you know, we're here for a birthday party, so we're about to wrap up pretty soon and spend the rest of the day with the kids at the birthday party. Now for the things you might need to know. Number one, parking is free. Parking doesn't look like it's ample parking, so definitely want to make sure you get here early so you have enough time to park. Now, how much does it cost? I'm not too sure. Because we're here for a birthday party, we didn't have to pay to get in. With the magic of YouTube, I'm gonna pop up how much everything costs right now on the screen, so that way you kind of have a better idea about budget-wise and what you're gonna do. All right, well that concludes our day at Fernbank Natural History Museum. It was a great time. It's not that big, so you know you could probably plan to spend about maybe 2 to 3 hours here, which is not bad for a Saturday afternoon out with kids, especially on a day like this when it's nice and rainy and you need something to do inside. So you had fun, Kason? Ready to go home? All right, until next time.